Salve, my Catholic is awesome friend. The Middle East is one of the regions in the Asian continent. The Middle East is also known to be very thick in the Islamic world. Yes, this is because Islam covers around 90% of the Middle East of population consisting of 17 countries. As of 2021, there are almost 7.1 million Catholics in the Middle East region, or 2% of the 381 million population of the Middle East. Middle Eastern Catholics mostly use Arabic in Mass or worship. Although only a minority and thick with Islam, there are a number of Middle Eastern countries that have a large Catholic population, you know.
أعطي للمساكين نصف أموالي وكل من قد غبنته في
These 10 countries with the largest Catholic population in the Middle East are data directly from G-Catholic in 2021. Wow, which countries are they? Bahrain. In 10th place is the country of Bahrain. Catholicism is growing so rapidly here that it has even reached 11% of the population, or as many as 161,000 people. The country of Bahrain is included in the Apostolic Vicariate of North Arabia, which also includes Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and Kuwait. In the future, this vicariate may become the Diocese of North Arabia. Bahrain is also the center of the Apostolic Vicariate of North Arabia, where the cathedral is located in this country, which was inaugurated in 2021 and is the largest church on the Arabian Peninsula. Syria. Syria is the Middle Eastern country with the 9th largest Catholic population. In 2021, there were 201,000 Catholics in the country. Despite the conflict and intolerance, Catholics in Syria continue to grow, even becoming the second fastest growing Catholic country in Asia after Singapore. Syrian Catholics are spread across 18 dioceses. Israel. As the only country with a majority of Jews or Judaism in the Middle East, Israel also has the 8th largest Catholic population in the Middle East. In 2021, there were 220,000 Israeli Catholics, accounting for about 3% of the population. The Catholic Church is also the largest Christianity in the country of Israel, followed by various denominations of the Orthodox Church. Israeli Catholics are spread across 8 dioceses and non-diocesan ecclesiastical regions. These ecclesiastical areas in Israel also include Catholics in the state of Palestine and the country of Cyprus, which number 141,000 people. 7. Iraq. Iraq comes in at number 7. The country has a Catholic population of 282,000 in 2021. Back in 1990, there were more than 600,000 Catholics in Iraq. However, the conflict and intolerance that happened to all Iraqi Christians made many Catholic Church members leave Iraq and settle in other countries for the sake of safety. This has resulted in a decline in the number of Catholics in Iraq. Despite the decline, those who remain in Iraq continue to struggle in faith. Iraq consists of 15 dioceses and non-diocesan areas. 6. Egypt. Egypt has the 6th largest Catholic population in the Middle East. The country has 342,000 Catholics, most of whom use the Alexandrian Eastern Rite of the Coptic Church. Although less than 1% of the population, Egyptian Catholics continue to grow and flourish and currently consist of 15 dioceses and non-dioceses. 5. Qatar. Qatar is the 5th largest in the Middle East. Since the 21st century, Qatar's Catholic population has grown very rapidly. It has now reached 350,000, accounting for 12% of the population. The Catholics of Qatar do not yet have their own diocese and are included in the Apostolic Vicariate North Arabia, which covers 4 countries at once, namely Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, and Saudi Arabia. This Apostolic Vicariate of North Arabia can one day be upgraded to the Diocese of North Arabia, which is centered in Bahrain. 4. Kuwait. Kuwait is the country with the 4th largest Catholic population in the Middle East. Yes, in 2021, there were 377,000 Catholics in this country, or 9% of the population, making Catholicism also the 2nd largest religion in Kuwait after Islam, which cover 75%. Kuwait is included in Apostolic Vicariate North Arabia, and there is also one diocese of the Eastern Rite in the Melkite Greek Catholic Church. 3. United Arab Emirates. Since the 21st century, Catholicism has grown very rapidly in the United Arab Emirates. There are already 875,000 Catholics in the country, accounting for 9% of the population and spread across 1 parishes. The UAE Catholics belong to the Apostolic Vicariate of Saudi Arabia, which also includes Oman and Yemen. In the future, the Vicariate Apostolic may be upgraded to the Diocese of Saudi Arabia. To Saudi Arabia. Catholicism is now the 2nd largest religion in Saudi Arabia, accounting for 6% of the population, or 1,834,000 Catholics. However, the nearly 2 million Catholics in Saudi Arabia do not have a church building to worship or mass at all. They usually have to go to other Arab countries to attend mass or worship, such as Qatar, etc. There are also those who attend mass online or worship with family in private. But in the future, Saudi Arabia is also planning to establish the first Catholic church in its country, which is the center of the world's Islam. One. Lebanon. Lebanon is the country with the largest Catholic population in the Middle East. There are 2,034,000 Catholics in the country, accounting for 47% of the population compared to Lebanon's Muslim population. Lebanese Catholics are spread across 21 dioceses and non-diocesan areas. The country is arguably the most strongly Catholic in the Middle East. If the words Catholics generally use the Roman Latin Rite, then Lebanon is mostly from the Antiochian Eastern Rite in the Maronite Catholic Church. Not only that, since 1943, the president of Lebanon must be a Maronite Catholic. My Catholic is awesome, friend. Those are the 10 Middle Eastern countries with the largest Catholic populations. May Catholicism continue to grow and flourish in the Middle East, and may Middle Eastern Catholics remain strong in faith, hope, and love. My Catholicism is cool and awesome. Salve and Shalom.